Hello, Primer 5. Our session today it's about approximation, and we take it in Primer 4, but with another name. It's called rounding. Yes, and we said rounding is the same like approximation. Yes. After that, I remind you by the decimal place value chart, and you know that this is called decimal point, and the left part is called the whole part, and the right part is called decimal part or fractional part. Yes. Okay. After that, we know that how to use approximation in our life, and we take two examples about time and price of t-shirt. After that, this is the symbol of approximation or rounding, because we said it's the same. Yes, after that we take some examples about rounding, how to rounding to the nearest tens or hundreds, but in approximation we'll use it in decimal part. Our approximation rule, it's like our rounding rule. Step number 1, find your number which you want to approximate it. Yes, after that look right next door. After that, 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. And we solve some examples. To nearest hundredths. Hundredths, it means in the decimal part, and it means two decimal places. It's the same when I said to the nearest hundredths. 1 over 100, the same, and 0.01, the same hundredths. Okay, and we solve more examples. After that, we watch a video about approximation, and we solve approximating, but this time into the nearest thousands, and thousands it means 3 decimal places, or I can write it as a fraction, 1 from 100, from 1000, and I can write it as a decimal 0.001. And we solve more examples and play a game just it.